best Bluetooth FM transmitters enable wireless music, hands-free calls, and seamless charging, enhancing safety and convenience in cars. My today's video is about top 5 best Bluetooth FM transmitters for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Nilaxi 54W Bluetooth 5.3 Car Adapter Charge. The Nilaxi Bluetooth car adapter is a game-changer for drivers seeking high-speed charging and seamless in-car audio. With its 54W high-power fast charging, including PD36W and QC18W ports, this adapter can simultaneously charge 4 devices, eliminating battery anxiety and ensuring efficiency on long drives. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, it offers rapid, stable connections and superior sound quality for calls and music, making every drive smoother. Music enthusiasts will appreciate the stunning bass effects activated with a single touch, while the 5-color lighting system provides clear, intuitive control at night. Its voice command integration and precise raised button design enable hands-free navigation and operation, prioritizing safety. Safety is paramount. The device includes overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short-circuit protection, supporting 12V, 24V vehicles and most car cigarette lighter sockets. Frequency matching is simple, and pairing with your smartphone is effortless via Bluetooth. Nilaxi combines innovation, convenience, and safety, delivering a premium FM transmitter experience for modern drivers. Now our second product is Unbreakable Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter. The wireless Bluetooth car adapter redefines in-car charging and audio convenience. With PD20W and QC3.0 fast charging, it powers 2 devices simultaneously, up to 4 times faster than standard chargers, while an additional USB port doubles as a music playing interface. Comprehensive safety features, including overcurrent, overvoltage, overcharge, overload, overheat, and short-circuit protection, ensure worry-free use. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 and DSP technology, this FM transmitter delivers stable, high-quality audio for both streaming music and hands-free calls. The built-in microphone supports smart voice navigation via Siri, Google Assistant, or other apps, letting drivers stay focused without touching their phones. The anti-static design enhances sound clarity, while the dynamic hi-fi bass boost adds depth to music, and the pulsing blue LED backlight creates an immersive atmosphere. Its ergonomic joystick control simplifies operation, allowing one-key call handling safely. Compatible with 12, 24V vehicles and a wide range of smartphones, tablets, and MP3 players, this adapter ensures smooth, interference-free streaming. Backed by a 36-month warranty and lifetime support, it combines innovation, safety, and premium performance for modern drivers. Our third product is Indian Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter. The 2-port USB car charger and Bluetooth FM transmitter is a versatile and high-performance solution for modern drivers. Featuring dual USB ports, including a quick charge 3.0 port compatible with USB 2.0, Huawei FCP, Type-C, and Samsung devices, it delivers fast charging with over 80% efficiency, keeping multiple devices powered on the go. Crystal clear communication is ensured by the high-performance microphone with CVC noise suppression, allowing hands-free answering, redialing, dismissing, or ending calls with a single button. This promotes safer driving without compromising convenience. For music lovers, it doubles as a hi-fi audio hub. Simply insert a USB flash drive with MP3 files or connect any Bluetooth-enabled device, including iPhones, Android smartphones, tablets, and iPods, and enjoy distortion-free audio with rich, immersive sound. Its multi-safety protection, covering overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, and intelligent temperature control, guarantees reliable and secure use. With wide compatibility and efficient performance, this device seamlessly combines charging, hands-free calling, and high-quality audio, making it an indispensable companion for every car journey. Now number 4, SyncWire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. The SyncWire Bluetooth car FM transmitter is a powerful all-in-one solution for charging, music, and hands-free communication. Equipped with PD20W and QC 3.0 ports, it can charge 2 devices simultaneously, delivering up to 38W total power, 80% faster than standard chargers, ensuring your devices stay powered efficiently during drives. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, SyncWire provides fast pairing, stable connections, and seamless streaming over FM frequency. It supports smart voice navigation, routing audio from Siri, Google Assistant, or other navigation apps directly to your car speakers, enhancing safety and convenience. Music lovers will enjoy hi-fi deep bass with the exclusive bass-enhancing key and immersive audio quality, while the pulsing blue LED backlight adds a stylish touch synced with your music. The built-in CVC noise suppression ensures crystal-clear hands-free calls, with a single button for answering, rejecting, or recalling calls. With wide compatibility across Bluetooth devices and 12/24V vehicles, this adapter delivers fast charging, premium audio, and safe, hands-free driving. And our last choice is SyncWire T11 wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter. The Bluetooth car adapter is a compact yet powerful device that transforms any vehicle into a hands-free, high-quality audio hub. Its built-in microphone allows seamless Bluetooth hands-free calling, keeping drivers focused on the road while making or receiving calls effortlessly. The CVC noise and wind suppression technology ensures crystal clear, full duplex sound quality, eliminating background distractions for both parties during conversations. For music enthusiasts, the adapter supports A2DP functionality, allowing your mobile device to stream audio directly with high fidelity. Its folder playback feature provides convenient navigation through your playlists, letting you enjoy your favorite tracks without fumbling with your phone. Designed for convenience, the device auto-pairs immediately when powered on, ensuring quick and effortless connectivity every time you enter your car. Combining hands-free calling, high-quality music streaming, and intelligent noise reduction, this Bluetooth car adapter enhances safety, entertainment, and convenience, making it an essential companion for daily commutes and long drives alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.